Hey everyone, it's me again. So, out finishing my first video, the menu one. I had no idea what to do next. Like, seriously. I was just sitting there thinking, okay, what now? So, I start searching online for cool Windows software, something that add tool or extra features. And then I found this thing called Microsoft PowerToys. People said it's add superpowers to Windows, and you know me. I had to try it. Let's see what Power Tool can do, or maybe how badly I can break my PC. Alright, step 1. Download this thing. You can get Power Toys from the Microsoft Store or GitHub. Yes, that is scary site where developers live. Just search Microsoft Power Toys download and click the official link. Please don't click the shady ad saying 100% Power Toy free, no virus. Trust me. I'm downloading the GitHub. Click install and boom, Windows is now getting smart hopefully. Okay, it's installing. This part feel like waiting for hours to download. And look at that. So many buttons. I have no clue what half of these do, but that's why we are here. Alright, you know what is the best part? Within the first 2 minutes of using Power Toys, it already told me 3 shortcut conflict found. Bro, I haven't even done anything yet. How did I manage to break it this fast? Isaiah, I just opened this app and it like, congratulations, you already have a problem. So yeah, Power Toys speed running errors in installation.
A few moments later.
Add-ons paste. Apparently this one may copy paste add-ons. Oh, you can paste text as plain, markdown, or even JSON. Bro, I barely know what JSON is and now my clipboard does coding. What the hell? And also this has AI feature, but unfortunately it didn't work for me because I didn't have open API key. Yeah, it need money. You know what I mean. In the future maybe I will try again it API key, but for now I didn't do it. Always on top. This one is amazing. Press a shortcut and your Windows press a shortcut and your Windows stay always on top. Finally, I keep YouTube video my code editor. Peak product achieved. You know what I mean? Actually, it's more handy to me because I'm stream on YouTube, so I need to see my chat always on top. So I like that feature. Wake just keep your PC awake. Basically, it's Red Bull for your computer. Download some stuff. I mean, rendering videos. This one sound like simple. Just pick a color from anywhere on the screen. Easy, right? Just press the shortcut key and your color suddenly turn into a tiny color snipe. You hover over anything and boom, it give you the color board. At first I like, okay, cool, I can finally find out what color my taskbar really is. Then I click around for 10 minutes. It's like something weird artist detective. It show hex, RGB, HSL, even give the color name. But you need to turn on color name on the setting if you need to see the color name. And this part you can middle click copy the color and left click open the whole menu thing, and you can even copy in different format. I have no idea what most of them mean, but it looks smart. Place the color into Google just to check if it is real, and yeah, it actually works. I still don't know what I'm gonna do with all these colors, but hey, if someone ever asks me the hex code of my wallpaper, I'm ready. Alright, this is where it gets fun. FancyZones. Basically, it lets you make custom window layout. You can drag stuff and snap it perfectly where you want. Nice. And now my desktop look like NASA mission control. The coolest part, I'm actually stream on YouTube and Twitch at the same time. And I only have one monitor. Yeah, just one. So this thing, lifesaver. I can make layout with my game, my chat and stream tool all on one screen. It's look like playing Tetris, but with window. And for once, I don't lose. And also moving stuff around feels so clean. I say I spent 5 minutes just resizing Windows because it looks satisfying. Alright, let's talk about run and the command palette. The first run. You pressed Alt and space and these three little search pop-ups. Type anything, apps, files, folders, even math calculation and boom. It opened instantly. I tried Notepad, calculator. I say I feel like I just hacked Windows. It's fast, smooth, honestly make me look productive. active even though I just clicking around. Then command palette. Open it with Windows Alt space and suddenly it like Windows just become developers playground. You can search apps, run commands, switch windows, calculate stuff, even open website. I feel like both are same, but I think FastToys run fast apps, files launcher, great for quick stuff. Command palette like mega launcher for power users and coders. Both make you feel like a Windows wizard. Then we got file Locksmith and Isaiah. This one made me feel like a detective. Ever try to delete a file and Windows say this file is open in another program? Yeah, this tool finally tells you who holding it hostage. Right click, must lock this file and boom, show exactly which app is the criminal. Apparently, it was holding on to one of my texts like it owned it money. So yeah, files Locksmith. Finally, I can solve those Windows mystery without restarting my PC in rage. Now, File Explorer add-ons. This one actually super handy. It's add a bunch of new preview and thumbnail feature right inside File Explorer. You can preview PDF, SVGs, markdown files all without opening anything. So basically, File Explorer just level up from Windows 10 to Windows Pro mode. I tried preview one of my photos, wallpapers, and it actually worked. I was like, wait, since when can Windows do this? The markdown preview was cool too, except I don't really use markdown. So I just noted like, yeah, deal stuff and move on. Next, mouse without border. Sounds like world peace organization for computer mice. Basically, it let you control multiple PCs with one mouse and keyboard. Like your cursor, just unlock teleportation power. Tomorrow, my brother bring his laptop home, so hopefully I can finally test this for real. So the next day, my brother came home with his laptop. Finally, a real second computer. I set up again to actually work. Bro, that moment when the mouse just slide from one screen to another, I feel like a hacker in a sci-fi movie. I was moving files, typing from one keyboard. It was like my PC and the laptop become best friend. Only problem, my brother keep pushing the cursor move on his screen and yelling, hey, stop controlling my laptop. So yeah, mouse without border, 10 out of 10 for Tech Magic, minus 1.4 brother's rage. Yo, right click any image and you can resize instantly. Bro, that's so handy for YouTube thumbnail. I like it. I don't know what happened to my footage. I think apparently my footage decided to go on strike again. I check everywhere, but my summer footage are missing. I didn't find it. So here is speedrun of features that didn't make into this video. First up, new class. Basically, supercharge right click menu. You can hit new and suddenly you can make folders, text file using templates. Then peek. You know that moment when you just want to see what inside a file without opening it? Yeah, peek the stick. Press a shortcut, boom, instant preview. I open like 10 files just for fun. I feel powerful. Next one, environment variable. Sounds scary, right? But it basically where Windows store tiny secret note for apps. This power toy make editing them way easier, no more digging through system menus. Post file editor, perfect for web developers or chaos lovers. You can block or redirect websites straight from here. I may or may not have accidentally broke YouTube while editing this video. Mouse release. This thing awesome. You can highlight your cursor, find it, or even make it click fancy stuff. Great for streamers who lose their mouse. Totally not me. Keyword manager. Remap any key to anything. I turn my useless print screen into something that actually works. Caps lock. It now open Chrome. Windows may hate me, but I love it. And last, workspace. You can create setup profile for your apps and Windows. One click and boom, your whole desktop arrange itself like following orders. Perfect for switching between work mode and gaming mode. So yeah, that's the missing chapters of PowerToys. After spending way too many hours with PowerToys, breaking shortcut, losing my mouse, I can finally say this. PowerToy is basically a toolbox for people who want Windows to act smart or just want to break stuff in style. From FancyZone, turn my one monitor into NASA mission control to color picker make me feel like professional designer. And these tools are actually pretty insane. Sure, I had a few moments like the tree shortcut conflict in 2 minute situation, and so yeah, some features confuse me at first, but once you start playing around with them, you realize Microsoft actually made something fun If you are a streamer, a student, a developer, or just someone who loves tweaking stuff until it breaks, PowerToys is must try. And honestly, for my first time using it, I went from what does this button do to wait, how did I even live without this? Anyways, that my PowerToys adventure from chaos to productive kind of. And the crazy part, this isn't even all the feature in PowerToys. There is still bunch more tools waiting for you to break, I mean. So go ahead, download it, play with it, and see what kind of chaos you can create. Use it at all risk. Alright, that's it for this video. Drop a like if you enjoy. Drop a like